आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi there, let's see the question. When we say survival of the fittest, does it mean that those which are fit only survive, or those that survive are called fit? Comment. Now this is of the chapter Origin and Evolution of Life, specifically talking about the concept of survival of the fittest. So survival of the fittest first time this concept was brought about by Herbert Spencer, and further on in detail with association with the concept of natural selection was given by Charles Darwin. So according to the concept of survival of the fittest, the organisms which succeed in the struggle for existence and survive successfully are selected by nature as fit. For what specifically? For reproduction and continuing the generation. Okay, so the two statements given in front of us are: does it mean survival of the fittest, those which are fit only, they survive, or those which survive are fit? So to understand that, let's take an example of reptiles, the bigger ones, specifically the dinosaurs. Okay, so when you talk about the dinosaurs, the bigger dinosaurs were herbivores. Now, due to sudden climatic changes, the complete vegetation basically disappeared. The complete vegetation disappeared. So because of that, the herbivorous dinosaurs couldn't cope up with this climatic changes and they got extinct. However, the smaller dinosaurs, they did change themselves from herbivorous to carnivorous, so they survived. So nature selected them as fit and they continued to form their species. So the first statement merely talks about first statement is saying they are the ones who are fit only are the ones which will survive. So here fit only can be only like they are fit only physically or mentally. So that specification is not mentioned. So we cannot say that that's the correct sensible option. But the second, that they did survive, yes, because they had to fight, they had to struggle for their existence and they could survive, which will make them fit. And who is making this and who is doing all this, that's the nature. That's the concept of what? Natural selection, having the base of survival of the fittest. So, of the two statements, if we see, the second statement makes sense. Those that survive are called fit. Okay, so hope you have understood.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।